Okay, Jessica. So thank you for your participation in our week 10 discussion. Everything is fine. So you listed two problems that you struggle with. So I'm attempting to demonstrate one of them. All right. So it is a word problem, and just give me a second here. Yeah. So it is a word problem, and so let's go over it. Right, so the kinetic energy K in joules, I'm probably mispronouncing that one, of an object is given by K is equal to 1/2 times mass times velocity to the power of 2. M is the mass of the object in kilogram, and V is the velocity of the object in meter per second. Right, find the velocity of a motorcycle with a mass of 180 kilograms, and kinetic energy of 440, I'm going to call it joules, but it's not joules, right? Anyway, all right, so basically, you want to find the velocity, right? The velocity is V, and so here, so let me get the pen here, right? All right, here we want V, so we need to solve for V here. All right, so let me write it. K is equal to 1/2 times times M times V squared. Okay. All right. So let's get rid of that fraction. So the denominator is 2. So we know to get rid of that 2 here, we need to multiply both sides by 2. Multiply this left side by 2 and multiply this by 2. And we are done. Now we clear out the fraction, meaning that 2 over 2 here is going to cancel out. And the next line should be 2K is equal to M, because we only have one left, right? So I don't have to put it, MV squared. Okay? All right. So again, we need to isolate the V squared by itself. So we need to get rid of the M here. So in order to do this, all we have to do is divide by M here and M to the left side as well. Okay? Why do I divide? Because this is a multiplication between those two variables. So in order to get rid of the M here, I have to divide. Okay, so M over M is just 1. And we are left with 2K over M equal to V squared. All right. This is not V, this is V squared. And in order to get V by itself, I need to take the square root of it. So, if I'm taking the square root of V squared, I get V, but also have to take care of the left side. So take the square root of the left side, but let's not forget this is V squared. So V is either positive or negative, and I have to show that in my answer. So I need to put the plus and minus here in front of the square root. And so my answer is going to be V is equal to plus minus square root of 2K over M. Okay? So I put the V on the left side now and the expression on the right side, and this is my final answer. Okay, hopefully it was helpful.